Hey there, Josh here, and welcome to another short hobbyist novitiate video. This time we're doing Legions Investigatus, a brief look at the lore and rules for a particular unit from Legions Imperialis. Grab a hot drink and a biscuit and let's dig in. This time we're looking at the Solar Auxilia's ugly, brutish answer to the question, how can a regular human beat a space marine in a fistfight? That's right, it's the Charonite Ogryn. The Ogryn are an abhuman mutation originating during the Age of Strife and rediscovered during the Great Crusade. Although initially labelled unholy by the Mechanicum, they were later allowed to be created in smaller numbers by the Imperial Guard when it was realised what an asset their brute strength could be. When assigned to the Solar Auxilia, Ogryn are outfitted with void suits similar to those used on regular auxiliaries, and have their forearms amputated and replaced with Charonite claws. These weapons add to their strength and make them even more formidable in close combat. On the tabletop, Charonite Ogryns come in a detachment of 4 for 50 points, with additional pairs for 15 points a pop, or as an upgrade to the Las Rifle Tertio with 2 costing 15 points again. They have a 5-inch movement, 6+ save and a single wound. In close combat they get +3 close assault factor, and have a morale save of 4+. Making them especially good at charging, they have the Furious Charge special rule, that gives them an additional +2 to fight rolls if they charged at least 1 inch in the previous movement phase. Unlike many Solar Auxilia detachments, the Charonite Ogryn do not have to follow the chain of command, letting them roam the tabletop causing mayhem and chaos wherever they please. There are no ranged weapons for the Charonite Ogryns. They only have their Charonite claws, which give them the Rend trait in close combat. This gives them an extra d6 when making fight rolls. Think of the Charonite Ogryns as big, disgusting looking toddlers. They trundle about slowly and need protection from enemy tanks like all infants. But once they get a rage on, they become capable of causing immense devastation to anything in their immediate proximity. Their Rend and Furious Charge abilities, combined with not needing to stay with the rest of your army, make them a real wrecking ball. The potential for getting an extra d6 +5 in close combat makes them an absolute nightmare, even for vehicles. You probably want a block of these guys rolling around and mucking up your enemy's carefully laid battle plans. I went from not really thinking all that much of the Charonite Ogryns to absolutely adoring them. The sculpts are incredible, they do great work on the tabletop, and the lore behind them is so deliciously Warhammer. That's all for this one. If you want to find out about other units from Legions Imperialis, subscribe to the channel. We're going to be making lots of these over the next few months, and it helps to know if they're hitting the mark. We also have more longer videos coming that cover wider Legions Imperialis stuff, so check that out if you're interested. Until next time.